Hey friend, I hope you are having a great week so far. You're probably browsing YouTube, looking for different ideas for what to wear this weekend but no matter what brought you here to this here video, I'm so happy to see you. So let's just get into this hair, why don't we? So of course, off the rip, you guys know that I love the texture, and the length and the volume of this girl right here. I am loving this wig, guys. It does of course come with adjustable straps in the back, a comb in the back, and then two combs kind of like towards the center of the wig. Now this particular wig is in a middle part style. It does come with frontal lace from ear to ear. However, the parting is specifically made in the middle. Now that doesn't mean you can't give yourself a side part. That just means you might need to give it a little shift once you're ready to try it out on the other side of your head, which is totally fine. But I haven't worn a middle part in a really long time that I really enjoyed, so I figured I would try this one out. I just like curly hair with middle parts. Let me know what you think. No elastic band for this one, but I didn't necessarily need one. I was able to secure it in the back with the comb and the combs on these sides as well. So as far as the hair goes, I love the curls, and even though this is a mixed fiber wig, this is one that I see myself not really having a good time letting go of. Fortunately, this is a very heat-friendly wig. Yes, so this one is heat-friendly up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means I can go ahead and curl these bad boys back to life whenever I feel the need to, and not deal with any damage or melting or scorching of the hair itself. So I'm really excited about that because I'm super in love with everything that I see right now. Other than that, the lace itself was not too light. Obviously I had to blend it down to my skin tone, which of course I was able to do with a little foundation, and I was able to melt it down. One thing I will say, as you can see with me trying this on without a meltdown, it was able to lay very flat. So whether you are a meltdown queen or a throw it on and go type of gal, this is the perfect wig to feel your inner diva, whether you got the time or you don't. Okay, for sure, I would definitely say that. So I'm loving how light it is. It probably looks mad heavy on my head, but I promise you it is not heavy at all. So if you want to get a view of how I put this together, take a look. I love it too. This one not only comes in several colors, and not only is it heat friendly, but just something to keep in mind. Like I said, it is a center part oriented wig, which means beyond the frontal vibe that you get from ear to ear on each side, this is the only other, you know, semblance of lace that you're going to be getting with this wig, which makes it super duper affordable and easily accessible. So those are great things about it. I don't even mind the fact that it's not free parting at all. I really don't, because I feel like with the volume, as you can see, no matter how I pull this back, it still allows me to get that frontal feeling, which is more than what I can say for a lot of middle part only wigs out here. What I will also add is that there are instructions that come with this wig, and I'll go ahead and drop the direct link for where I picked this up from, as well as the color, the style, the name of the wig, and all of that in the description box below. It comes with the directions on how to turn this into a U-part wig, or how to turn this into a leave-out wig. So for all of my ladies who are not quite lace friendly, or not too crazy about cutting lace, styling lace, laying lace period, there definitely are instructions that come in the pack with this wig where you can cut along the dotted line that comes underneath this cap to make it a U-part or a leave out wig, where you can literally cut along the lace on each side of the part and pull your own hair out and blow it out to match this texture. So I'm just trying to give you a vibe and also let you know that it is a pretty versatile wig. So if you are feeling Amani just as much as I am, you know what to do. Stay tuned for these angles. And of course, thank you so much for pausing your window shopping online and clicking play to come chill with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And if you are coming back and it's not your first time, you know we fam. Thank you for your support. See you next time.